This is one of my favorite parts of woodworking, is taking a piece like this, which is kind of rough, going to be used for drawers. It's too thick. The Blum drawer slides that I have to have stock that's no larger than 5/8. To take something like that and to turn it into nice clean edged uniform drawer sides like this. It's really just a process of taking your raw lumber, cutting it larger than your final dimensions are going to be, then running it through a jointer. I bought this reasonably inexpensive Q-Tech jointer, and I don't do a tremendous amount of woodwork, and I don't wear it out like a commercial shop would, and this has worked out very well for me. So use this to get one side square, and then once you have one side square, you can go ahead and use a planer. This is a DeWalt planer. They have two on the market. This is an older one that doesn't have as many features, but it's quite a bit less expensive. And if you don't do huge volumes, it's a nice thing to have. It took this larger stock down to 5/8 with no problem at all. So once you have one side square by running it through the jointer, one edge square, and then you have the proper thickness, then you can go over to your table saw and fine out with the width that you want. And then you start out with drawer sides that are milled, so that when you go to do the corner joints, everything will be exactly to the right dimensions, and your drawers will come out very well. I thought about using plywood, but I didn't have any 5/8 inch plywood, and so I had some scrap oak that was kind of beat up that my neighbor gave me, and so I decided I'd make drawers with that. Going pretty well. This is fun.